This is a Pulstar cathead, one of many different styles that we manufacture. This particular unit is what we call our quick attach unit, which conveniently attaches into the rear bumper assembly for being able to take in and out as you may or may not need it. This particular assembly also has the roller, which is technically designed to work with line shaft turbines. The control of the cathead is at the right rear of the small rig, and the operator has full control in varying speed capabilities and also forward and rearward direction. This particular cathead is primarily designed with our small rigs in mind, and there's also many different ways we can do it with small rigs. The cathead assemblies in our big rig family are available as either driver's side or passenger side, or both, or neither. Pulstar, hand built by people who care.